I'm going to show you how to fix your Wi-Fi driver missing in Windows 11. Now, the first thing we're going to do is head on down to the search bar and type in device manager. From here, navigate down to network adapters. And firstly, what you want to do is ensure that your primary network adapter or your Wi-Fi adapter is not disabled. You'll know it's disabled because there will be a red cross, but the easy way to double check is just to right click it. And if you see enable device, then make sure that you click enable device. If your Wi-Fi adapter is not showing up on this list, what we can do is right click on network adapters and then select scan for hardware changes. If it's still not showing up, the next thing we can do is select view and scroll down to show hidden devices. For whatever reason, sometimes your Wi-Fi adapter might just be hidden. If this hasn't worked, the next thing we can do is head on down to the search bar again and search for network and internet, and then click network and internet here. Scroll all the way to the bottom and click advanced network settings. On this, ensure that Wi-Fi is enabled. So if it says disable, that means that it is enabled. And then scroll down further under more settings and then just click network reset and then select reset now. Once you've done that, you will have to restart your PC or laptop. After you've done all this, you can now open up device manager again, and hopefully your Wi-Fi adapter is now showing, and then you can right click on it and then just select update driver and follow all the prompts under search automatically for drivers. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.